If you're in Florida, you know that our sunny state does tropical flavors like nowhere else. And if you're looking for an effortless dessert that screams Florida without requiring a plane ticket to Miami or a key lime, coconut flan is the answer. Creamy, dreamy, and coconutty. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds, and it's easier to whip up than a breezy beach day. Why coconut flan? Let's be real. Florida is about easy living and fabulous flavors, and coconut flan checks both boxes. Flan, the classic custard dessert, gets a tropical twist here with an addition of creamy coconut. It's rich, smooth, and has just enough island flair to make you feel like you're sipping from a coconut under a palm tree. The no-fuss ingredients. This recipe only requires a few basic ingredients, most of which are pantry staples. 1 cup of sugar for the caramel magic, 1 can condensed milk, 1 can evaporated milk, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of coconut milk, the secret tropical weapon. Making coconut flan magic. Preheat and prep. Get your oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a water bath by filling a large dish halfway with water. This keeps the flan velvety smooth. Caramel time. Melt that sugar in a saucepan over medium heat, stirring until it turns a lovely golden brown. Quickly pour it into a round baking dish, swirling to coat the bottom. Don't dawdle, it hardens fast. Mix the flan. In a bowl, whisk together the condensed milk, evaporated milk, coconut milk, eggs, and vanilla. Pour this creamy mixture over the hardened caramel in the baking dish. Bake in the bath. Place your flan dish in the larger water bath and carefully slide it into the oven. Bake about 50 to 60 minutes or until it's set, but slightly jiggly. Cool and flip. Let it cool and then chill in the fridge for about 4 hours. When ready, run a knife around the edge, flip it onto a plate, and prepare for applause. Why this dessert is perfect for Florida? Coconut flan is basically the dessert version of a hammock in the shade. It's light, creamy, and just exotic enough to remind you how lucky we are to live in a tropical paradise. Plus, with its minimal prep and tropical taste, it's the perfect dish to impress with minimal effort. So next time you're craving a little bit Florida flavor, skip the key lime and go coconut. Easy to make, easy to love, and even easier to eat, one slice at a time.